What's up, you guys, and welcome back to May's Ipsy unboxings. Today I have 3 boxes to unbag, or 3 bags to unbox. There we go. So today's video is one of the little glam bags and 2 of the glam bag pluses. I am subscribed to just the glam bag plus, and then I do get a subscription from Ipsy sent to me. So I'm going to show you guys the variations that there are and that I received, and then I will definitely let you guys know which ones were paid by me and which ones were sent to me. We're going to go ahead and get diving into it. If you guys want to know how to sign up, all the information you need to know about Ipsy. We've been here for so long doing Ipsy and all these unboxings. I know so many of you guys know how this works, so we're going to go ahead and get diving right into this. If you guys want to see what's going on and what's inside these bags, let's check it out, because last month I got one of my bags really late and I was super impressed with everything I got. So let's do this. So in my intro, I did mention to you guys that my bag from May was like awesome. Like, it was bomb. But it was the small bag, and I got a sample of the Tatcha, it was like the Tatcha water gel cream or something was what they call it. That stuff is phenomenal. I was so excited that I got it. I immediately put it to use, and it has left my skin like baby skin. And I'm like kind of mad at myself for enjoying it as much as I do, because I know how pricey it is, and I'm like, oh, do I need the full size? And I'm like, no, because I have all this other stuff I'm trying out and I'm trying to get through. But like in the back of my mind, I'm like, you need it. Like, you just need to get it. And I'm like, let's actually do the small glam bag first. This is one that is sent to me by Ipsy, and then we'll move into the glam bag pluses. So if you guys want to see timestamps for anything, I will have it linked down below for you guys, or feel free just to watch the entire thing. All right, so here we have the first bag, which is all pink, and then it's got an outlining of pink roses everywhere. This month's theme is flower power, and it says the brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. I cannot believe that is the end of May. My kids are officially, you know, getting ready to get out of school here in the next few days, and it's bittersweet. I have one going to middle school, and this is a first bag. So the first thing I see here is a Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. Ooh. And I have the shade Dead Roses, which is a matte lipstick. Literally looks so similar to my Cream in Your Coffee lipstick. So here's what that one looks like. And then look at that. Look at how similar they are. Like, they're not very far apart, except one is obviously matte, but let me show you guys. This is beautiful. So there's the matte one, that's by Anastasia. So then the one that's a little bit shinier is a cream sheen, and that's the one by MAC. Cream in Your Coffee is one of my all-time favorite lipsticks. Again, it's what I'm wearing, and I actually paired it with this Thrive Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Devon, which is actually something I got in a previous box. A really good size lipstick. I think it's just enough, and I'm actually okay with smaller lipsticks because I feel like I go through so many different lipsticks and play with so many different things that I enjoy smaller, like liquid lipsticks, glosses, and lipsticks. But that's just a personal preference. Moving on to the next thing, I could definitely tell it's by Tarte because you've got that Tarte packaging. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip. Ooh, in rose. I like these colors. They're like colors I normally would wear. This is awesome. Wait, but what is it? It's like a little chubby stick. A pretty lip balm. You see it right there? And that's the color of it. It's super soft and simple. I mean, I want to wear it. Oh, let's try it on. I love the way that feels. Ooh. Oh, I am sold on this. This is something I would definitely buy again. So the next thing I have here. Oh. Okay, so here's the thing, that I've heard really great things about this brand. I just need to do the research on this. So the next thing we have here is the Olaplex, and this is the Hair Perfector number 3, which is supposed to repair and strengthen all hair type. I just need to figure out how to use the system, because to get the system, I mean, to like do the whole system, it can get pretty pricey, but I've seen results and they look freaking incredible. So yes, I definitely will be using this immediately, and I don't know, I'm tempted to try it. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the items and what your thoughts are on them. This is a pretty good bag so far for a $12 bag. Then I have the Avant. This is the Pro Collagen something, Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. Is it primer? Apply it to clean, dry skin. Okay, I was expecting this to just be like body moisturizer, because I always get these from this brand and it's always like a scrub or a body lotion or something. So I almost just kind of moved it to the side. Doesn't have a scent or anything to it. All right. There's really nothing that says like what it's supposed to do. It just says Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. And then the last thing I have, last thing I have here is by Goldfaden MD. This is the Solution Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. It's a multitasking cleanser that dissolves impurities, removes dead skin, excess oil, and makeup in one simple step. So there is that. I actually do have a full-size version of the moisturizer from this brand. It's super lightweight. My only thing with this moisturizer so far that I have found is that depending on what primer I use, it doesn't like certain primers. It's a good bag. So here you have it. You get a drawstring bag that matches the little small bag. I'm not a big, I'm not sold on these bags. I'd rather just do without and just send me the bag and the products inside. So the first thing I have in here is by Shayna B Miami. We have seen this brand before. I believe we did get a eyeshadow palette from this brand. I want to say it was like kind of colorful too. I think so. I'm sure we may have gotten other things, but that's like what I vividly remember. So this one here is the Precision Blending. This is the setting brush. This is the tapered blending, an all over shadow brush, and then a pencil brush right there. Ooh, this is the Dip Brow Gel by Anastasia, but this is in chocolate. Actually, I think I can make it. I think I've used chocolate before. I think I have. All right, so there you have it right there. There's the chocolate. Oh yeah, I could totally make this work. So the Dip Brow that I have of chocolate ran a little bit warmer than what I normally would use. I normally was a dark brown in Dip Brow. I actually feel like this looks a little bit more on the neutral side than what I remember. I've primarily just stuck to pencils for so long now that I tried using a Dip Brow not long ago when I knew I was gonna need, you know, my makeup to stay on for a really long time, and I was sloppy with it. Like I could not do it right. Next up we have is by Girlactic. This is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Looks like a test tube, kind of. It smells really good. It's really pretty. And next up we have is this in this glass container. This is the Clarity Get Balance Probiotic Serum for balance and hydrate. Hydrate and smooth and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Well, yes, I want to do that. And then the last thing I have in here is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This is the Pore Purifying Mask. I have tried this before. This is formulated for oily and combination skin. It does work really well. It is a good one. I really do enjoy a lot of the Dr. Brandt products. So that is what I got in my bag. Pretty good. I mean, I'm impressed. I'm not gonna say I'm not impressed. I am impressed. The Dip Brow was definitely a good one. And then the skincare products as well. So let's move into the next bag, which is our last bag as well. So the first thing I have here is called Kinship, which I have heard of them before. This is the Self Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen. The next thing I have here is by Hey Honey. This is the Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum. This has got honey, squalene, green tea, and centella Acacia, something like that. Anyways, those are the key ingredients. Okay. Next up we have is by Fenty. We've got some Fenty Fly Pencil. This is a long wear pencil and eyeliner, and it says it's in the shade Cause I'm Black. Oh, it's liquid, isn't it? Is it liquid? Yeah, I think it is. Oh no, it's fancy. There you go. So the next thing I have here is the Kush Mascara. This is just their original Kush High Volume Boom Volume Extreme Mascara. I actually do have this. I have tried this before, and I've tried the waterproof. The waterproof is waterproof. I just don't see anything phenomenal. Like, it gives me volume, but nothing that a drugstore mascara that gives volume can do also. Like, I just think it's a fine mascara. It's nothing that I would go out and spend my own money with, because I know I could get just as bomb results with a drugstore mascara. But okay, moving on. And then the last thing I have here is by Complex Culture. This is the Complex Culture Easy Crease Definer, which is a eyeshadow brush. And here it is. It's like a triangle tipped brush. Assume I can just put it like this and kind of do like a winged eyeliner. That's what I just assume to do. I don't know. I do have quite a few Complex Culture products, like their brushes and stuff. Really do like them. They are very soft, very good. They do very well, like with multiple uses. You can wash them. None of the brushes have fallen out on any of the ones that I've had for so long. So yes, positive feedback, positive reviews there for me. So that is everything that I got in my box. I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products as well, a mix of skincare and, what do you call it? Beauty, makeup, there it is. The small bag killed it this month. Do you agree? Like, the small bag just did it for me. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me. If you guys haven't checked out my newest Sephora haul, I will link it up here for you guys, as well as my other unboxings for the month of May. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching today's video and taking a little bit of time out of your day to hang out with me, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.